The devil is a thief and he doesn't like you. He comes only to steal, kill, and destroy. When a stranger breaks into your house, they do not go after tables, pencils. They go after the expensive items. So whatever God instills within you holds significant value. So whatever is going on in or around your life, I want you to know God wants to restore every aspect or every area of your life, including your relationships, your employment, finances, well-being, marriage, and more. And there are few things God will restore in your life. Your soul. Have you ever felt unstable or afraid? God will restore your soul, mind, will, and emotion. Your health. If you are in pain, frequently ill, or lacking energy, God aims to restore your health. He promises to rejuvenate your body, heals you, and renew your youth, your joy. The enemy wants you to be miserable and sad. So be of good cheer because God said your joy is coming back. Your finances. God said he will make the thief pay you back sevenfold or 7 times what was stolen from you. The Lord your God will grant you a revival of your prosperity and extend his mercy to you. The years Satan stole. Do you believe that certain parts of your life have been taken away from you as if they were lost or wasted? So I want to tell you, trust that God has the power to restore them. So, wonder why God's doing this? Because of his compassion. He didn't say he might or consider, but he said, I will. And I firmly believe the end of this year and the start of 2024 can be your best. Only if you have faith in God or put your faith in God, trust him for restoration and take action. Thank you for watching. And if you have found value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment below. And as always, stay positive.